If you're cooped up at home with cold or flu symptoms and wondering what you can do about it, I have a couple of 2-ingredient citrus recipes for teas that will help soothe your cough and sore throat, and maybe even a little of that anxiety, at least until the situation clears up. So, stick around. Today's video will be short and sweet and salty, come to think of it, as both of these recipes are incredibly easy to make. They're also make-ahead recipes, so we better get started. The first was given to me by a Thai friend and requires only limes and honey. Simply slice up the limes, preferably organic, peels and all, and layer them in a jar. Limes have anti-inflammatory properties, and of course vitamin C, which may not prevent catching a bug, but appears to shorten the duration of colds and flus. Now fill the jar with honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties that will help if your infection is bacterial. But studies have shown that, like limes, it too may have anti-inflammatory properties, and in the case of Manuka and pasture honeys, may even boost your immune system. Now leave the jar aside for at least 2 days. Then simply pour hot water over a slice of lime and a drizzle of honey and drink as tea. The second is a traditional Chinese remedy using only kumquats and salt. According to Chinese medicine, kumquats eliminate phlegm and alleviate colds. Simply cut a slit in the kumquats to allow the salt to infuse them, and place a few at a time in a jar. I use the Parfait wire bale jars to avoid corrosion from the citrus and salt. Cover the kumquats with kosher salt as you go. Like with the Moroccan-style preserved bergamots we made previously to cook with, you can use kosher sea or rock salt for this cough remedy. Just don't use iodized table salt, or it will ruin the curing process. For this remedy, you'll need to wait at least a month. The longer the better. In fact, you might want to make a batch for next year. By then they'll be brown and shriveled, but apparently that's when they're most effective. To make the tea, crush one of the kumquats and pour hot water over it. If you find it's too salty for your taste, you can rinse it first, but keep in mind that the salt can reduce swelling in the throat and loosen mucus, as well as prevent dehydration. And voila! 2 natural remedies for coughs and sore throats. All likes and comments are greatly appreciated, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe.